Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, the psychic gets excited as I pour water into a cup. Cue the intro. Well, you join us here today for a unique challenge. Now, many years ago, I watched an advert about an airline where a pilot had a glass of wine in his cabin and landed it without spilling a drop to prove how silkily smooth his landing was. So today, me and the psychic are going to redo this challenge. We're going to fill up a pint glass of water, ride it many miles to see who can have the most amount of water left, to prove who is the smoothest rider between us both. Now, I have personally spent many hours creating the perfect cup holder, so not one single drop will be spilt. Check out this for awesomeness. As you can see, this is made 100% structurally. So what do you think to the most awesome cup design in the world?
It is terrible.
Do you mean it's terrible?
Take about like 30 seconds. A roll of duct tape.
Right.
Oh, right. To be fair, I thought you just duct taped the cup on there. I thought you were going to have to tip the bike over to drink out of it. But look at it.
Right, I just want to be 100% clear. My granddad, the legend, the superhero that he was, during the Second World War, flying above certain places we will not name, when they were being shot at, he ran along with duct tape and duct taped the plane back together to keep it in the air. And that is where I've got my influence from. My granddad's perfect design of 1,000-mile-an-hour duct tape holding everything together. What have you done?
Well, I've used some engineering, bit of basic engineering, cable ties. Everything good is made out of cable ties. So that is going to hook onto my shopping bag holder. When it's full of water, that will just swing around. Not a drop will be spilt.
So as we're zinging it around bends, you've aerodynamically made it so it moves.
Yeah, it's like a gimbal, isn't it, on a camera. That's just gonna swing around. It's gonna be perfect.
See, I was expecting you to have structurally engineered out of wood chipping away through the night to design that. That's just some bloody ties around a bit of wood.
A bit of ply, that's a few cable ties. Simple, keep it simple.
Right, okay. Well, I think there'll only be one winner, of course, and that would have to be me. Now, I personally have gone out of my way to spend an entire week mastering the art of carrying water, and I was invited by nudist monks on an island near Greece to spend a week with them to learn the art of carrying water. What have you done to prepare yourself?
Drank beer, eaten pies. It's Christmas, been with my family, I've been eating and drinking.
So you're not been to like a special nudist monk's place?
No.
And spent some time with men naked?
Definitely not. I'm getting a bit worried now about you.
Well, quite clearly, with the practice that I've put into place, I'm going to win. I woke up this morning and looked at a bonsai tree to make myself calm and in inner peace. So now I'm going to get the special water that we're not going to say holy water because we're not allowed, and pour them into the glasses, ready for transportation. So I've brought nudist monk's juices to be able to pour in to our pint glasses. So this is precious water.
What the hell is that? Where did you get that from?
From nudist monks.
How did you get that from nudist monks?
I'm not allowed to tell you because I'd legally lose my channel.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second.
Right, are you ready?
Ready.
So, our aim is to head to Rutland Water unless we lose all our water somewhere on the way. But I don't know how many miles it is, so of course I'll put that onto the screen.
Yeah.
But the rules are quite simple. Who arrives with the most amount of water left in their cup will be the person to take the glory ship of the Naked Monk's Juices Water Challenge.
Right, okay.
Okay?
Don't know if I want that glory or not, but yeah, let's go.
Well, yours is engineering, mine is granddad's duct tape. There's only going to be one winner.
Yeah.
Me. Right, got to get on my bike now without spilling the water. This is like, I'm as nimble.
Take mine off the stand.
As a ballerina.
Carefully.
Oh, stuff that. Just jump on, man.
There we go.
I've lost some water already.
A couple of little drops.
Oh, I lost a little bit, and I've got to take my side stand off. Oh, shit. All right, I'm going to put my visors down on this one.
Yeah, good idea.
Because I'm not going to do it on the way. Okay, the monkey bike is primed and ready for the transportation of the monk's juices. Are you ready?
I think so.
Right, here we go.
Here we go.
I've got to ride. No, I'm losing loads. Oh, man. That's a bad start.
We're doing all right at the minute. It's just swinging around there.
Did you get your, like, special, like, spinning, hovering, water, tripoding, whatever you called it, idea from Discovery Channel?
I was thinking of ways that you could stop it from spinning, and what was it? I saw an advert for a tray on telly where you could put your drink in it and tip it over and the drink stayed upright.
So you nicked it off of the telly then?
Oh, it's just, well, it wasn't with cable ties or anything, no, but I came up with my own take on it.
I'm losing loads!
I would have a little bump, I lost a little bit, I'm alright. I'm not worried at the minute.
Well, I believe in my granddad and his wise ways. Oh, I lost some more.
Yeah, it's just the bumps where we're losing it.
Right, we can make this. My plan is power. If I get there quicker, I won't, you know, I won't lose all my water.
See what we're like going around the first corner.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's working. It's the bumps. It's the bumps where I'm losing it.
Just power, mate. Just loads of power.
Ooh!
Oh, well, you're right.
Yeah, it's alright. Just braking it. Just.
Come on, hurry up.
I need to start looking up instead of looking down. I keep looking down at the thing.
I've lost quite a lot of mine already.
Have you?
Yeah, probably down to 3/4 of a cup.
Do you want to give up already and just admit that I'm going to win?
No, never. You might be a winner, mate, but I lose in style. Now, the big question of it is,
yeah,
what have you had for breakfast?
I had a bacon sandwich, well, bacon and egg sandwich this morning.
So you had a fried bacon and egg?
Yes.
Well, you see, I got the most wonderful breakfast to enlighten me in the world, to keep me steady and balanced.
Right, what was that then?
Well, I can't tell you, because then you'll use it in the future.
Well, I'm sure it won't, because it probably won't be anything that's very nice.
Okay, well what I did was, okay, I got avocado, smashed it with a sledgehammer until it was so smashed it was a gooey mess. Poured it over 2 buns that were cooked by a Swedish woman and slapped it hard on top of the buns and ate them in pure silence.
Right, that just sounds... So you just had avocado on a bit of bread, it sounds horrible.
It's not just bread, is it? It's a Swedish nun's buns.
It's not very appetising, is it? Bacon and egg sandwich with a bit of tomato sauce, that sounds much better.
Yeah, but I'm now monk-fied, isn't it?
No, I don't think monks eat that, do they?
Yeah, they taught me. They taught me the way. I spent a week with naked monks, and I know they were definitely monks because they were all bald.
Right, so you've spent a week with a load of bald men, naked bald men.
Yeah, on a very private island on the edge of Greece.
Right, okay.
They have been there for centuries.
Are you allowed to talk about how you got this juice yet?
How I did what?
How you juiced at the monks?
No, no. All I'll say is, I was supposed to be there for 2 weeks.
Right.
And I came back a week early.
Was it traumatic?
Well, I don't think they're very happy with me taking their juices. Well, they were smiling.
Did they put you blindfolded on a stool ready for this juicing?
No, that's just weird. Oh, I'm losing more water, I'm bumping! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm about half a pint now.
Are you? Oh, it's bumpy down here. Oh god. Oh, there's one bumps. I have got carb on me, but never mind. I'm still alright.
Oh no! Lost some more. I lost some more. Oh no! Oh no! I might have to wee in mine.